I, Lasya PV,
And Janani J of Class 10 heartily welcome everyone present here. We have gathered here for the inaugural ceremony of the Social Club. We have amidst us a Madam Correspondent, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, staff, and my friends of our Vidyalaya.
prayer should always be our first response to every situation. Let us start this auspicious event with the invocation of Lord Ganesha. Please stand for the prayer song.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं भजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् अजेन्द्रपूजितविघ्नेश्वरम् अजेन्द्रपूजितविघ्नेश्वरम् गणातिसन्नुतपदपद्मकरम् गणातिसन्नुतपदपद्मकरम् कुञ्चर पञ्चर चतुरतरगरं गुरुगुगात्मजं प्रणवाकारं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम् भजामि सततं सूरेश्वरं श्रीगजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्.
I now welcome Lasya PV of Class 10 to deliver the welcome address.
I wish everyone gathered here a very good morning. Today, we have come together for the inaugural ceremony of our social club. I am pleased to welcome our Madam Correspondent, Principal Ma'am, and Vice Principal Ma'am, staff, and students of our Vidyalaya. Our social club focuses on preserving our heritage and protecting our environment. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the social club. Once again, it is my privilege to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of our social club. Thank you.
Thank you, Lasya. Moving forward, I invite a Madam Correspondent, Principal Ma'am, Geeta Miss, Hema Miss, Sharda Ma'am, and Vijaya Muralidharan Ma'am to light the Kuttuvalakku.
Our principal ma'am is a perfect planner and administrator who efficiently manages her team with a smile on her face.
Sharda Ma'am is an experienced teacher who guides the students patiently. Mrs. Hema and Mrs. Geeta manages our school office system promptly. Our Vijaya Muralidharan Ma'am sows the seeds among students for becoming ambitious in life. Thank you all.
We have Miss Radha Lassan of Class 9 to deliver the inaugural speech of our Eco Club.
செட்டப் பண்ணி ஜாயின் வர மாட்டேங்குது. இருக்கும் சேர்த்துட்டேன் மிஸ். ஜாயின் லிங்க் நம்ம சோஷியல் சோஷியல் கிளப்.
Establishing the was to conserve the natural resources and create an eco-friendly environment, to bring awareness of local environmental issues among children, to create a clean and green consciousness among students through various different programs. Eco Club plays an important role in creating environmental awareness among the population. We want to nurture and teach the importance of our environment. Our vision is to be the best institution for protecting and creating environmental awareness by educating the youth by offering various different programs and resources for the children. Objectives of the Eco Club are to motivate the students to keep their surroundings clean and green by undertaking plantation of trees, to promote the culture of conservation of water by minimizing the use of water, to maintain cleanliness in and around the campus, to educate the students to create awareness amongst public and sanitary workers so as to avoid the dumping and burning of waste which causes respiratory diseases. Major activity. The Eco Club, along with its volunteers in the school, does its best efforts for a green campus. Plantation programs is undertaken at regular intervals through Eco Club and inside the school premises. We don't want to protect the environment. Instead, we want to create a world where the environment does not need our protection. Thank you. Thank you, Radha, for giving us a wonderful start.
Next, we have the inaugural speech for the Heritage Club by Kirti of Class 10. Next, we have the inaugural speech for the Heritage Club by Kirti of Class 10. Thank you, Kirti. Now, let us witness the speech given by Mrs. Geeta from Social Department on Eco and Heritage Club.
Good morning, Madam Correspondent, Principal and teachers. I'm very proud today to Geeta, teacher of Mahatma Gandhi's Engineering Vidyalaya. A good morning, Madam Correspondent, Principal and teachers. I'm very proud to deliver the speech on inaugural function of social departments, heritage and eco. The aspects which is blended in our department. The first aspect, heritage, is what comes to us from the past. It is an important the Environment Day as a part of eco-friendly. You know, Copenhagen, Denmark is selected as the most popular eco-friendly city in the world. We are gathered here to educate our children because they are the future generation. We implemented these two aspects by giving various activities to the students. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable speech.
Let us witness a few informative speeches given by our students. First, we have the video of Master Bala Kritik of Class 2A.
Good morning, everybody. I am very happy to be a part of our school's Eco Club. It helps to take meaningful environmental activities. Through this club, we learn about improving our environment. We aim at creating clean and green environment. Where there is green, there is prosperity. Thank you.
Next, speech by Master Ganesh Santanam of Class 3A. By Master Ganesh Santanam of Class 4A.
Good day, everyone. My name is Ganesh Santanam from 4A. Today I want to tell our Eco Club rules. Our world is great. Let's keep it that way. Use less plastic. That would be fantastic. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle whenever you can, wherever you can. Electricity off when not in use. Compost fruits and vegetables. Off close the tap to save water. Remember to stay safe everywhere you go. Use our amazing outdoor space to explore and learn. Litter has a place and it's not the floor. Remember, every journey matters. Walk, scoot, or cycle whenever you can. So work together, everyone. We can make the difference. Thank you.
Next, streaming of the speech of Master Darun Arvind of Class 3A.
Good morning, respected correspondent. Good morning, respected corresponding madam, principal madam, teacher, and my dear friend. I am Tarun Naravindran from 3rd A. I am going to give a speech on Indian heritage. There are large number of groups living in our country. So Indian heritage, culture, and debate vast and varied. Every group has its own set of customs and traditions. This passed on to its younger generations. However, there are some traditional customs that remain same through India. Our traditional teach us to inculcate good habit, make us a good habit, human beings. Thus, our culture heritage is a beautiful gift from our old generation. Therefore, the heritage of yours should be taught to the children. It will help us to live a human being and also the respect each other. Thank you.
Thank you, kids, for your fabulous speech.
Let's now have the pleasure of watching the performance of Miss Tanishka of Class 8 to a classical number. Thank you, Tanishka, for the graceful performance.
Let's now listen to a few speeches. Mallory of Class 5B.
I am everybody. Welcome to everyone. Today here I am present a speech about Heritage Club. Okay. Our nation is spread with full of culture, convention, and the value of individuals. The idea of setting up in heritage club in schools to provide training and resources about heritage. About heritage. Heritage club is run with the motive of creating awareness and participating in heritage related activities among the children. It has designed programs to involve students in various activities for learning and craft, museum visits, and conservation at home and school. It includes all the natural, the built, and the living heritage. It is an effort to bring like-minded students together to create awareness. We celebrate World Heritage Day on April 18th every year. We celebrate World Heritage Day on April 18th every year. So we are all join in Heritage Club and save our heritage. Thank you.
Salai Samiksha of Class 4C.
Good morning, everybody. I am Salisha Diksha of 4C. I am going to present a short speech on environment and eco-friendly. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surroundings. A healthy environment is one that is sustainable for a long time. Our need for food, water, shelter, and other things depends on the environment around us. There must be a balanced natural cycle that exists between the environment and all the living organisms. We must avoid doing certain things which cause harm to the environment. We should use eco-friendly products as well. Are we using eco-friendly products only? No, definitely no. Take necessary steps to avoid eco-pollution. Don't overuse the resources that we have now. Avoid using plastics. We can use solar light and solar bike to reduce the usage of petrol. Don't waste electricity to reduce global warming. We should manage the resources in such a way that they are also available for the future generations. Using natural manures, biofuels, cotton bags are some efficient way because they are eco-friendly. We should do the proper disposal of wastes. If we must all reduce the overusage of non-renewable resources. Everyone has to avoid taking personal vehicles if possible. We should use the product which are naturally made as they are biodegradable. A clean and green environment is important to live a healthy life. Keep calm and go green. Conserve the environment with eco-friendly products. Thank you.
Harini of class 5D.
Hi everyone, good day to all. Hope everyone is safe at your homes. My name is Hari. So let's get started. Today I am here to present a speech on the topic Heritage Club. What is meant by heritage? Let us know. The traditions, qualities and culture of a country that have existed for a long time and that have great importance for a country is known as our heritage. What is the importance of heritage clubs? It is a question that commonly comes to our mind. The heritage clubs in the schools is about discovering the culture and heritage of our country. It tries hard to teach a feeling of pride and love to the rich cultural legacy left behind by our ancestors. The main aim of this club is to preserve and understand the value of rich heritage of our culture. What is the relation between heritage and culture? Culture refers to the ideas, customs, and a social behavior of a particular people or a society. Whereas heritage refers to the aspects of culture which are inherited to the present. Therefore, heritage play a very main role in our life. Heritage education is not merely recreation for students, but should be an important role of their studies. I would like to end up my speech by concluding that it is not the honor we take, but the heritage we leave behind. Thank you all.
Aradhana of class 4C.
I am here to deliver a speech on Indian heritage. India is a land of various cultures and traditions. Each ethnic group in our country has its own tale of origin and its set of unique culture. Indian heritage not only shows a beautiful picture, monuments, but the traces can be found in art, culture, music, dance, Ayurveda, yoga, meditation, and religious practices also. In addition, a stunning monument, heritage attracts the people from different parts of the world. Religion is the major component of Indian culture. India celebrates numerous festivals throughout the year. Indians extremely value their festivals and celebrate them with joy and harmony. It is the duty for the elders to invoke the love for Indian heritage in the younger generation. Thank you.
Sai Prajan of class 5A.
Respected principal and teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all present here. I am Sai Prajan from 5A, Mahatma Gandhi Centennial Vidyalaya. I feel very happy to speak a few words about Eco Club. You know, that a good environment is must for us to live happily. Eco clubs plays an important role in creating environmental awareness amongst the future generation. It motivates the students to keep their surroundings green and clean by plantation of trees. It helps teach the students to minimize the use of plastic bags, organize tree plantation programs such as quiz, essay, painting competitions, etc. Eco Club is a platform on which we get knowledge about environment. We are the future generation of the world, so we need to take care of it. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you for an enlightening speech.
When words fail, music speaks. With that note, let us now listen to the group song sung by Priyadarshini and Saideepa of class 10 and Shivani of class 9.
பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு பாரத நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு பாரத நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு ஞானத்திலே பரமோனத்திலே ஞானத்திலே பரமோனத்திலே உயர் மனத்திலே அன்னதானத்திலே ஞானத்திலே பரமோனத்திலே உயர் மனத்திலே அன்னதானத்திலே காதத்திலே யமுதாக நிறைந்த கவிதையிலே உயர் நாடு கானத்திலே யமுதாக நிறைந்த கவிதையிலே உயர் நாடு இந்த பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு எங்கள் பாரத நாடு பாரத நாடு பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு.
Thank you all.
Let's now witness the speech given by Bhargavi of class 6A.
I'm Bhargavi, studying in class 6A in NTCP. India is a country that boasts of rich culture. The culture of India comprises of clothing, festivals, languages, religions, music, dance, architecture, food, and art in India. Many religions are present in India. Consequently, the presence of so many diverse religions has given rise to tolerance and secularism in Indian culture. In recent decades, huge changes have taken place in Indian culture. These changes are female empowerment, westernization, and decline of superstition, higher literacy, improved education, etc. The culture of India is one of the oldest cultures in the world. Indians have demonstrated strong unity irrespective of the diversity among them. Unity in diversity is the ultimate mantra of Indian culture. To conclude, I quote from Mahakavi Bharati. 30 கோடி முகமுடையாள் உயிர் மொயம்புற ஒன்றுடையாள் இவள் செப்புமொழி 18 உடையாள் எனில் சிந்தனை ஒன்றுடையாள். ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
Thank you, Bhargavi.
Let's now witness the speech given by Master Aaron Royston.
A very good morning to respected principal ma'am, dedicated teachers and my dear friends. I am Aaron Radson from grade 3A. I am short but an extremely important speech on how to save our environment for the future generation. Please don't pollute the environment, secure our future by making efforts to preserve and conserve our surroundings. We must prevent the damages caused by several human activities like polluting the air and the water and deforestation, industrialization, and fossil fuel. Environmental damage causes more issues like global warming and climatic changes. To save the environment, we must stop the exploitation of the natural resources. If we do not take sufficient precautions today, it will be impossible to live on this planet. We should always remember the 3 R's of waste management, which are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Planting more trees helps in protecting the environment, as trees emit oxygen and help maintain the temperature. So, dear friends, it's high time we take precautions to save our planet. Let's all join together and protect our planet. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Aaron.
Dance is a hidden language of the soul. Let us now watch the folk dance performed by Lakshma Shalini of class 7. Thank you, Lakshma Shalini, for your incredible dance performance.
Now, let's watch a presentation on Heritage Calendar by K. Soumya of class 7A.
Good morning, everyone. This is K. Soumya here, studying in 7th Standard A section in Mahatma Gandhi Centenary Vidyalaya. Today, I'm going to talk about Panchanga, our heritage calendar. In Sanskrit, Panchanga is made of two parts. Pancha, which means five, and Anga, which means parts. Therefore, Panchanga consists of five components: Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra, Karna, and Yoga. The lunar day called a Tithi is all important in selecting a favorable time to begin a certain task. A lunar calendar is based on the moon's rotation around the earth. Each lunar month consists 30 Tithi or days. There are 30 such lunar days in a lunar month. They are sequentially numbered starting from the new moon as well as full moon. The first lunar day is called new moon or Amavasya, followed by Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Trayodashi, and Chaturdashi. The day after the 14th day is called the full moon day or Paurnami in Tamil. The first 15 tithis are waxing phases of the moon, which is called the Sukla Paksha. In Tamil, it is called Valar Pirai. Valar means growing or developing, and Pirai refers to partial moon or the bright side of the lunar month. The opposite is called Thai Pirai, where Thai indicates decreasing. The next is Masa. Masa means lunar month, which are Chittirai, Vaikasi, Ani, Adi, Avani, Puttasi, Aipasi, Kartigai, Margari, Tai, Masi, and Panguni. Then Vara. Vara means week, which are Ravivara Sunday relating to the sun, Somavara Monday relating to the moon, Mangalvara Tuesday relating to the Mars, Buddhavara Wednesday relating to the Mercury, Guruvara Thursday relating to the Jupiter, Shukravara Friday relating to the Venus, Shanivara Saturday relating to the Saturn. Nakshatra. Nakshatra is the third element. Like Tithi, Nakshatra is also important in Hindu culture. Traditionally, one traces the nakshatra of a newborn baby. His character and future is predicted by astrologers based on the nakshatra. There are 27 nakshatras: Ashwini, Bharani, Kartigai, Rohini, Mirgasirisham, Tiruvadarai, Punarpusam, Pusam, Ayilyam, Magam, Puram, Uttiram, Astam, Sittirai, Swati, Visagam, Anusham, Kettai, Moolam, Pooradam, Uttiradam, Tiruvonam, Avittam, Satyam, Purattadi, Uttirattadi, and Revati. The system of the 12 signs of the zodiac in Sanskrit is called Rasi. Mesham, Rishabham, Midunam, Kadagam, Simmam, Kanni, Tulam, Viruchigam, Dhanusu, Magaram, Kumbham, and Meenam. Yoga and Karna. These are important to astrologers. They refer to Yoga, Luni, solar year, and Karna, half lunar year. So, this was a small brief from our heritage calendar, Panchanga. Hope it was informative to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Soumya.
If spirit is the seed, dance is the water of its evolution. Let us watch the Kolatam performed by Vishruti of 8, Ananya, Amrita, and Hari Lakshmi of class 5. Thank you, dancers, for your charismatic dance performance.
Now, let us watch the classical dance by A. Janvi of Class 8B. Thank you, Janvi.
Let us have the pleasure of visualizing some of the best presentations. Janani J of 10A.
Hi everyone, good day to all. Hope you're all using masks, sanitizers, and are vaccinated if you are eligible. Be cautious about this COVID 19 pandemic. Hope you're all safe at your homes. I'm Janani, so let's get started. Today, this video mainly focuses on COVID awareness. First, let us know what is COVID 19. COVID 19 is coronavirus and these belong to a large family of viruses which cause illness from simple common cold to severe diseases such as MERS-CoV and SARS-CoV. Symptoms of COVID-19 are sore throat, headache, fever, running nose, cough, and also chest pain. Even if you have any one of these symptoms, please don't hesitate to meet the doctor. Meet the doctor immediately. Always stay clean to prevent COVID-19. Stay 6 feet away from each other. Make sure you wash your hands frequently and practice social distancing. Instead of shaking your hands with others, having high fives and honks, please practice waving your hands, the hand on a heart, saying namaste, asking who are you, and the eyebrows, the all good nod, the East Coast wave, the what a world. Please do all of us stay home. Doctors are trying hard by sacrificing their lives. Please do stay home. The nurse, doctors, and police will take care of the body. We have to and we must get rid of this COVID-19. Please stop COVID-19 by staying in your homes. Please do wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Keep social distancing and wear a mask. And please don't go to crowds and avoid handshaking and avoid touching your nose and eyes. Let's break the chain of corona. Stay safe. Thank you all.
Charubala of class 7.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Sri Charabala from Environment is essential for living well. So, my topic for today's speech is Environment Day. To protect this Environment Day is celebrated. June 5th was declared as World Environment Day by the UN General Assembly. The first World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 in Spokane, USA. It is a day to spread awareness about protecting the environment. This day is observed across the world to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given mankind, such as soil pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. Application of proper rules and regulations for the protection and use of plastic can reduce toxic effects of plastic and health environment. So we should reduce the use of plastic to save the environment. I stopped using plastic products due to our school and the way our teachers explained the toxic nature of plastic. The school institution took steps to stop the usage of plastic by recommending students with the usage of silver bottle instead of plastic bottle and by distributing the books with a jute bag in the school year 2019 and to preserve the environment. My school developed a separate club called Eco Club. They also conduct various programs in the club. The first thought to preserve the environment in me started from my school institution and teachers.
Vinay Bala of class 6.
Hello everyone, I am Vinay Bala from Mahatma Gandhi Centenary Vidyalaya. I am going to give a presentation on protecting our environment by gardening in our house. You all know that World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. Now, let's see and discuss the need for protecting our environment by gardening in our homes. Home gardening. Gardening is an extended form of agriculture. It has been practiced by humans for thousands of years. As city and town culture grew rapidly, most of the natural vegetation was destroyed. Health awareness and concern for environment made way for home gardening. Home gardening helps in protecting soil nutrition and promotes native plants and also the animal species associated with it. The benefits of home gardening are availability of fresh air and healthy vegetables. It is also very cheap as less fertilizers are used. It can be adopted as a hobby also.
Now, let's understand the importance of trees and how it helps in our survival. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and in turn give out oxygen, which is very essential for all living things. Trees also provide shelter from sun and also contributes towards seasonal rainfall. We should promote and practice home gardening, which will be our contribution towards protecting the environment. Thank you everyone for watching my presentation. Let's save our environment by planting more and more trees.
Ram Lakshman of Class 6.
I am Ram Narasimhan from 6th day. I am going to give you a speech about environment. Our environment is an essential part of our life. Every year, Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th. Environment includes atmosphere, surrounding, geographical area, and natural resources, etc. The quality of our life depends on the quality of our environment. There is a balanced natural cycle between the environment and the life of humans, plants, and animals. Human society is playing an important role in the destruction of the natural environment which affects our life. We all should try to prevent the destruction of the environment and keep them free of pollution. Before the period of industrialization, the environment was in very good shape. Long ago, the soil was fertile. People lived happily in the natural environment. However, due to sudden industrialization and urbanization, natural resources have largely been exploited. Cutting down of trees is a major cost to the environment. Trees are cut down for wood, for fires, to heat up homes and cook food. People also build houses, malls by clearing trees. The need of electricity has burned a large amount of coal, which is polluting the environment. This is not only because of air pollution, but also global warming. However, man is harming this beautiful environment. The increasing invention of new technologies have brought in major change in this planet, which resulted in many environmental problems. Avoid plastic, use cloth bags for shoppings, say no to straws, wear clothes from natural materials, hence reduce and reuse and recycle. Hence, we must reduce pesticides and insecticides, do organic farming for healthy fertility. Afforestation is the best way to save our environment and to avoid natural disasters. Hence, save the environment, save trees, save lives. Thank you.
Sri Nishedini of Class 6.
Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Moreover, it is essential to advocate for greener environment and conservation of nature. It is quite simple as when we conserve the environment, the future generations will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use up all the resources for ourselves. World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware issues we are facing and how can contribute to saving it. Thus, it is quite important in its own way. World Environment Day reminds us to strengthen the world and ensure the nature is preserved at all costs. It throws light on the causes which are causing serious harm to our environment. For instance, industries and factories are contributing largely to pollution. They are deteriorating the quality of air that we breathe and the water we consume. Also encourages everyone to keep their nearby surroundings safe and clean so that everyone can have a cleaner, greener and more precious future. Thank you.
Soumya K of class 7.
Good morning everyone. This is K. Soumya here and I have made a PPT on the topic terrace garden or private environment. What is terrace garden? Built to cultivate vegetables, flowers and fruits on the terrace, balconies or roof of buildings. Also called as terrace garden, roof garden. Doesn't need any farming background to start roof garden. We can use old paint buckets, old dustbins, grow bags, old rice bags. We can also use vegetable waste as manure, coconut fiber as cocoa peat. Benefits of terrace garden. It reduces the heat of building and energy costs. It creates a habitat for birds and squirrels. It reduces ambient temperature. It captures and harvests rainwater. Garden elements. Seeds or plants for planting. I bought hibiscus plant of colors yellow, pink, red and rose of colors pink, baby pink, red, yellow, white. I even bought some bonsai seeds, which means vast plant seeds like grapes, papaya, chili and various other fruits and vegetables. We need weather, of course, sunlight for the plants to remain green. Depending upon the weather, we need a particular amount of water and homemade manure for the plants to grow healthily. Process of planting sapling. Take a pot and place stones at the bottom. The soil mixture is 1 part soil and manure. To this, add a few tablespoons of neem and turmeric mixture. Mix well together and put it over the stones in the pot. Plant a few seeds of one plant. Water the soil. The plant is ready. Now just remember to water it every day. The planting cycle. As you can see, first we should plant and feed it some manure. Water it with care and lo and behold, your plant is ready for harvest. After